Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register copyright in USA full guide. Start by identifying the work, choose the correct form, and gather deposit copies before you begin the application process. Create an account on the official portal, complete Form CO online, pay the filing fee, and upload files in accepted formats. I will walk you through each step in plain language, so you can finish with confidence and fewer mistakes. Registering online is often quicker, but paper filing still works for some special cases, so choose what fits your project. Prepare accurate metadata, title pages, and contributor details. Errors can delay approval. Pay the correct fee at submission and double-check file formats to avoid rejection. After filing, monitor your account for correspondence and registration status, and save confirmation emails and numbers for legal protection and future licensing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps us. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which makes busy creators' lives easier with hands-free cleaning. I mentioned it because saving time helps you focus on your work and registrations. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Expect different processing timelines depending on whether you filed online or by mail, and plan accordingly for releases or licensing deals. Use clear, legible deposit copies and correct titles to speed review and reduce correspondence. If you need stronger remedies, consider registering before public distribution. Early registration can matter in disputes. Keep meticulous records, and if unsure, consult a copyright specialist for complex works or joint authorship scenarios to avoid pitfalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.